Do you know what we're going to learn today? We're going to learn the names of our amazing body parts. Get ready for a fun adventure. Let's go! Head. Face. Elbow. Legs. Hand. Arm. Knee. Hair. Mouth. Ear. Eye. Neck. Eyebrow. Tongue. Teeth.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and ring the bell icon to stay with us for more fun and learning adventures.